Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna. Sometimes we are watching people around us. They all have different thoughts because naturally they all are not the same. They are different, that's why their way of thinking also different. But we are sometimes thinking about them, why they are not thinking like us according to our way of recognition them, way of understand them, because it is very natural. Everyone has their own way of thinking, way of analyzing the reality, and way of attaining their roles for life, because peoples are not the same. Their parents are not same. Then why we make sure to our own way of forcefully thinking? They think like us, they think according to us. It is not natural. And here we must have to understand that peoples are not similar. Sometimes if they seem according to their perspectives, they are doing their job according to the zone of others, known others viewpoints, maybe according to their own desire they are doing, but every time it is not so normal and so easy to think according to others, because in life everything seems so easy and perfect. Everyone has their own way of attaining roles for their life, and people are doing their job according to inspired by their dear ones, their respectful ones. But we must have to understand peoples are not in same way, because their thoughts are not in same way, going through the conditions, through the means times realizations. And if we understand easily the patterns are not same, then people's why they think in the same way. Everyone has their own parents, their own surrounding, their own environment, and that's why they are thinking in those ways. Then why we analyze them according to watching others' viewpoint? They are doing in this way, and that's why the perfect one person is like them. No, everyone has their own perfection. Everyone has their own way of attaining roles, and they are perfect. Here we have to understand, because people are not same by look, by doing their acts, but if they have the way of honest thinking in similar way, then they are best. Though one thing is very clear, we should not compare ourselves to anyone with their front ones, because everyone has their own way of thinking, own way of realizing the truth of environment, of the surrounding, and they are doing their job according to their own perspective best. We have to here understand easily and normally, and it is not so hard if we think, because in life everything seems so easy according to all our own analysis. How it depends on our way of thinking, how we analyze them, how we create them in our mind first, means in our thoughts first, and then we give our conclusion about them. So one thing very clear, that peoples are not the same, but there one thing is similar, the honesty. Here way of honesty different ways seems in for the front one. So we have to understand these realizations of the front one, and understand the viewpoint of others, honest vision to us. Then makes sure our life is very easy if we have those little manner of way, means way of thinking and way of understanding, realizing the front one's honor and respect for us. Radhe Radhe.